On about mental illness. In the wake of Friday's Fort Lauderdale airport shooting, the question today, will anything change this time around? Our team coverage continues this afternoon with the Now's Alana Quillen, who spent this day learning about what is being done and not being done to address the mental health crisis in this country. Alana?
Shannon, Florida ranks 49th in the nation in how we fund mental health issues. Now, many of the programs that we do have here are thanks to the Mental Health Association of Palm Beach County here behind me. Now, despite their financial challenges, they do believe help is on the way. Did the man with the gun at Fort Lauderdale Airport, a man who asked for help only to be released, suffer from mental illness?
In this case, it does very much sound like there was some mental illness, untreated mental illness, and yes, they should have provided more comprehensive services to that young man.
Pam Gianfrido, CEO of the Mental Health Association of Palm Beach County, only knows what she's heard about Esteban Santiago, but she's familiar with his story. She claims it's a common one. The system waits too long to help someone.
Most of the money we're spending is on crisis deep end services for people who we could have identified earlier. We could have provided help to earlier, but instead we're spending a lot of our dollars on the most intensive hospitalization, incarceration.
But change is on the way. President Barack Obama signed legislation in December to accelerate the fight.
The most far-reaching mental health reform legislation that we've had in the last 50 years.
H.R. 2646 streamlines the way money passes through to local community programs and focuses on early prevention. Palm Beach County already has a program which screens children and young adults for mental health concerns through their doctor.
9 simple questions. We can determine whether they are moderate to severe on things like depression, anxiety.
Gianfrido believes the system cannot rely on the mentally ill to recover on their own.
We can't just hospitalize someone for 4 days and expect them to be recovered. We have to provide ongoing support.
Now, this April, the association is hosting a speaker series called In the Age of Violence, where they're actually addressing mental health issues and some of the tragedies we've seen lately. We'll post some of that information on our website, WPTV.com. Now, prior to the airport shooting, Esteban Santiago served in Iraq and actually earned a medal. Coming up at 5:30, we'll speak to a psychologist at the VA Medical Center to talk about some of the mental health issues and illnesses that can be seen in veterans. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, I'm Alana Quillen for the Now South Florida.